In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a release for GitHub. A GitHub release is a snapshot of your code that's easy to share with users, complete with notes, tags, and optional binaries. Make sure you're signed in and have permission to create releases in the repository. Start by opening your repository on GitHub. On the repository page, find and click the Releases tab near the top. If your project hasn't published any releases yet, you'll see a notice that says there aren't any releases here. Go ahead and click that notice to open the release area. You'll also see an informational link that explains what releases are and how they work. Click the link if you'd like to quickly review GitHub's guidance, then return to the release page when you're ready to proceed. Next, click Create a new release. At the top of the form, click into the tag selector. Choose Select Tag. If you don't have a tag yet, open the menu and click Create New Tag. Type the version you want to use. Many projects follow semantic versioning, like v1.0.0 for a stable first release. If you change your mind, you can click Cancel to back out and try again. Reopen the tag selector as needed until you see Tag. Select Tag Set the way you want. Now choose where this tag will point. Click Target, which is set to main by default. You can browse branches to choose a branch, or switch to Recent Commits to tag a specific commit. This is useful if you need to pin the release to an exact change. When you're done exploring those options, set the target back to main for a typical release. Move down to the Release Notes editor and click Write. Add clear, user-focused notes about what changed, what's fixed, and any breaking changes or upgrade steps. Use headings and lists in Markdown to keep it skimmable. When you've written your notes, click Preview to make sure everything looks good and reads clearly. Below that, look for the Release Label area. If you don't use labels for releases, set it to None. If this version isn't production ready, toggle Pre-Release so users understand it's for testing. Expand additional settings to see more options. If your project uses GitHub discussions, you can enable Create a Discussion for this release to centralize feedback. Finally, scroll to the footer area to review what you've entered one last time. Confirm the tag, target, and notes are accurate,